How to smoke a juicy, delicious turkey on your Weber kettle this Thanksgiving. So here we got the Weber kettle. We have some B&B briquettes banked off to one side. We are running this at 350 to 375 the entire cook. Breast away from the heat to start, and then once the legs and thighs are cooked, we'll flip the breast around towards the heat and let the breast finish off. Don't worry about the legs and thighs, they can handle the extra heat. Check out this juicy, delicious turkey. Try this method today. Make sure you brine your turkey, season lightly when you're done, and you will have a delicious bird. Follow for more.